Morning student, in last lecture of my revision of the sound, I already explained about the different characteristics of the compound. Pitch, which is depend upon frequency, directly proportional to the frequency. Second, loudness, which is directly proportional to the amplitude. Third, quality and timbre. But in this lecture I will explain about the what is the music, what is the noise. When vibration produce a regular pattern or pleasant sound, that is called music. If you like them any sound, it means it is the music only. That is, yes, music is here. That is the regular pattern of vibration is there. But when vibration produce the irregular pattern, that result is a noise only, student. Noise. A musical instrument produce the fundamental frequency. They have the basic frequency, fundamental frequency, and some multiple of the fundamental frequencies. Harmonics are there. A sound with a large number of unrelated frequency, when come in the multiple fundamental frequency, that produce the sound, student. That produce the sound. Our next topic is the musical instrument, student. I already explained in my lectures of the sound, the stringed instrument. First was the string, which are the wire, piano, guitar. Actually, the piano, guitar, veena and sitar. Actually, their pitches depend upon the length, mass and tightness. More tightness is there, more is the frequency is there, and more is the pitch is there. Our second instrument, that is a wind instrument. Wind, when you blow the air inside there, that produces the sound. Flute, clarinet, shennai, trumpet, saxophone. The sound due to vibration of air column inside the hollow part of the instrument. This sound due to the wire only, wire. And inside this, the hollow air column is there. Air column, due to vibration of air column, they produce the sound. Third, percussion instrument. Percussion instrument. A gong, drum, tabla, which are the membrane. Membrane, like drum have the membrane. Gong also, the two things are when you strike with each other, that produce the sound. Yes. Next is a reed instrument. A harmonium, mouth organ. They contain the metal reeds are there. They produce the sound when air is blown in that harmonium or the mouth organ. Next is a noise pollution. Our next topic is a noise pollution. If sound is not a melodious, it cause only noise only. When loudness is there, more noise is there, it means that produce the that causes the headache, loss, hearing loss also. Loud and harsh sound is unpleasant to hear, which are unpleasant to hear. That is called noise only. Honking of vehicles, loudspeaker, factories, aeroplane sound, jet plane sound, that also called the noise only, student. Yes. Constant exposure of these noises cause the headache, loss of hearing, sometimes nausea, sometimes tiredness also, student. Yes, method to reduce the noise pollution. Which method to reduce the noise pollution? Yes, maybe you use the carpet, curtain, which absorb the sound very easily, student. But the hard surface reflected the sound. These are the soft surfaces there. Trees also absorb the sound. Very good friend of our nature. Yes, vehicle. Trees also maintain the oxygen level also, balancing in the oxygen level. Vehicle should have the proper have silencer. If vehicle have silencer, they not produce sound so much. Yes. Amplifier and loudspeaker strictly prohibited. Cracker also strictly prohibited. And factories which causes the noise pollution, always not in the near the residential area, away from the residential area. So this is my revision lecture, student. In next lecture I discuss about the numerical, students. Thank you.